Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 5 Rum Chata cocktails. Pretty easy to make, and this was a request from one of the subscribers. I also made 3 Rum Chata shots last time. I will leave the link right here so you can just go watch it. It was a lot of fun to make these cocktails. I'm going to make part 2 of this video. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need Rum Chata, Hennessy, and Fireball. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice to the mixing glass. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of Rum Chata. One ounce of Fireball. And 1 ounce of Hennessy. Alright, time to shake it. Now I'm gonna pour into the glass. And that's how you make the Henny Chata. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for the next cocktail we're gonna need a Rum Chata, vanilla vodka, I'm using Absolute, and a cinnamon stick to smoke the glass. Alright, I'm gonna start by smoking the glass. Now I'm gonna add ice to the mixing glass. Two ounces of vanilla vodka. And 3 ounces of Rum Chata. Alright, time to shake it. Now I'm gonna grab my smoke glass. I'm gonna add fresh ice. And I'm gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the smoked chata. Alright, before we move into the next cocktail, if you guys getting any value out of this video, give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, for this cocktail we're gonna need Rum Chata and root beer. Alright, I think this is the easiest one. I'm gonna start by adding 4 ounces of Rum Chata. And I'm gonna top it up with root beer. And that's how you make the Rumchata Root beer float. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need Rum Chata and Fireball. I'm gonna add ice into mixing glass. Then I'm gonna add 2 ounces of Fireball. And 2 ounces of Rum Chata. Now we're gonna shake it. And I'm gonna strain it. And that's how you make the cinnamon crunch. Alright, let's move to the last cocktail. And for the last cocktail, we're gonna need Rum Chata and Jameson Cold Brew. Alright, this one we're gonna put it in the glass. I'm gonna start by adding 2 ounces of Jameson Cold Brew. And I'm just gonna tap it out with Rum Chata. About 1.5 ounces. And that's how you make the Rumchata Cold Brew. Alright, let's give them a try. This is the one with Hennessy. I can taste some of the Fireball and a little bit creamy. 8 out of 10. Alright, let's try the next one. This is the one with vanilla vodka. Oh, this is good. I can definitely taste some of the vanilla and some of the smoke from the cinnamon. 8.5 out of 10. Alright, let's try the next one. This is the root beer float. Alright, I'm not a root beer fan, but this tastes good. I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. Alright, let's try the next one. This one is the one with Fireball. Oh, this is good. I can taste some of the Fireball and a little bit creamy as well. 8.5 out of 10. And for the last one, I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright, so this one I can definitely taste some of the coffee flavor. This one is the less sweet from all of them. I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. Alright, overall I think my favorite is the one with vanilla vodka and then the smoke. Great cocktail, not too sweet. Alright, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And that's how you make these 5 Rumchata cocktails. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!